Pips the firefly was very small firefly with a very small light. He worried his light wasn't bright enough to join the other firefly dazzling night dance, so he often hid, blinking shyly in the shadows of the big oak tree. One evening, a tiny field mouse named Squeaky got lost in the tall grass. Squeaky was scared and whispered, I can't find my way home." Pip heard a little sound. His heart thumped, but he knew he had to help. He flew out from the oak tree, letting his light shine as brightly as he could. "Don't worry, Squeaky," Pip called out. "Follow my light." Squeaky looked up, and even though Pip's light was small and steady and warm, he followed it through the tangled grass right back to his cozy burrow. "Oh, thank you, Pip!" Squeaky squeaked happily. "Your bright was just perfect." Pip felt a wonderful warmth spread to him. Brighter than his light, he realized that even a small light could make a big difference. From that night on, Pip joined the firefly dance, sharing his glow, and discovered that being kind and brave made him the brightest firefly of all. And he made wonderful friends like Squeaky, who loved him like just the way he was. My name is Ivo Caspel Edge Jika Alin from grade 3 Tolimi. Thank you.